how to enable rooms notifications from everyone on Instagram Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to enable rooms notifications from everyone on Instagram Lite. First thing, open Instagram Lite. And here you will find your profile in the bottom corner. Click on it and then click the three lines in the top and then click settings. Here you will see this one, notifications, and then click direct messages and calls. Now scroll down until you find rooms, and here you will find from everyone selected. Now all you need to do is just go back, it will be saved. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.